In the earlier lessons, we have learned this circle S and Z. Now, we are going to learn where to use stroke S and Z. We have already learned the consonant S and Z in the 24 one consonants. But now we are going to learn where to use consonant S and consonant Z. इसमें 4-5 कंडीशंस है. उस कंडीशंस में हम स्ट्रोक एस और स्ट्रोक जेड को हम यूज करेंगे. द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज whenever there is a initial or a final vowel sound after or before stroke sound s or z, we write this stroke s or z, like in yes, yes, and say, yes, say. इनिशियल में वोवेल है और लास्ट में भी एक वोवेल है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर राइटिंग द फुल कॉन्सोनेंट ऑफ एस. लाइकवाइज ऊज, जू. Okay, and in the same way, where we will not use also, we are going to learn. ऐसा रेसी, रेसी, रेस, रेस, रेसी. Like that. In the same way, busy, busy, bees, bees. Okay. And in the same way, ask, ask, and sack, sack. सर्किल एस के बाद हमने ये वोवेल पढ़ना पड़ेगा. सो सैक एंड सर साउंड एस का पहले वोवेल आ रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग कॉन्सोनेंट ऑफ एस. And initially, if we use this consonant S as a result of this vowel, and when that word is used as a prefix or suffix of any other word to make another word, we use that root word only in the compound word also, like in sa, sa, bench, and assailed, assailed. कंपाउंड वर्ड क्या है? अनअसाइल्ड, assailed, unassailed. Like that. In the same way, ease, ease, disease. Like that. When जब हम रूट वर्ड में कॉन्सोनेंट एस लिखता है एंड जब डेरिवेटिव और कंपाउंड सेंटेंस मतलब कंपाउंड वर्ड में उसी रूट वर्ड को हम रिटेन करेंगे, लाइक इन सा एंड सा बेंच, assailed, unassailed, is disease. Where a triphone immediately follows initial s, like in words science, science, sewer, sewer, like that, science and sewer. इसमें ट्राइफोन इमीडिएटली आफ्टर कॉन्सोनेंट एस आ रहा है, मतलब साउंड एस को बाद आ रहा है, इसलिए हम पूरा स्ट्रोक लिखना पड़ रहा है। और इधर भी ऐसा है, स्वीवर, इसके बाद भी सेम, ठीक है। When initial s is followed by a vowel and another s or z, in that case also we use this consonant s or z, like in sees, sees, and saucer, sees, saucer. Initial s is followed by another s sound, sa, sa, r, saucer, like that. When the final syllabus aus, जब ये aus sound immediately preceded by a diphthong, जब वो आता है तब भी हम ये कॉन्सोनेंट एस और जेड लिखेंगे, लाइक इन जेड नहीं कॉन्सोनेंट एस, लाइक इन sinuous, tortuous, ठीक है, like that. And joyous, where final syllable aus is immediately preceded by a diphthong, like in sinuous, tortuous, and joyous, like that. He has given some grammar blocks in this chapter. They are: if m is written above the line, it is me. If m is written on the line, it is him. If m and circless is written above the line, myself. And if the same thing is written on the line, himself. If circless p and circle s and p is written on the line, it represents special or specially. And if it is written through the line, it represents speaker. And circle s and b, if written on the line, it is subject or subjected. And circle s and v, if written on the line, it represents several. Okay, these are the grammars, and along with the earlier grammars, you have to practice them regularly. And he has given us some exercise number 26, sorry, 27, 28, and 29, 30. He started giving paragraphs to you for speed writing. So I will show you only one or two sentences. For several special reasons, I should like to come to see me on Wednesday. D silent है. As early as you can. As early as you can. First sentence. I specially already learned. Specially desire you to the line. Write out the names. Write out the names of all the firms with which you have सर आपको have नहीं आ गया होगा with which you have had discussion business dealings since you came to us. Since you came to us. Grammar. Like that, you have to write the paragraph. You have to practice all the words he has given, like assiduous asks. In the exercise number 27, I am studying the first line. Acids ask, essays, assessing, assails, asleep, aslope, like that. You have to practice each word at least 3 lines, and each paragraph you have to first write the English version, and thereafter you copy it once, twice, thrice on all the 4 days. 2 times, 3 times आप जितना लिख सकते हैं लिख लीजिए, so that आपका पेन और पेंसिल वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल हो जाएगा. आप भी बड़ा फास्टली कॉपिंग करना शुरू करोगे with confidence. That will actually helps you going forward in writing the English shorthand 80 words per minute. Good day. Important note: don't try to remember the strokes without practicing. Practice, practice, and practice. There is no other way to learn and master stenography.